President Donald Trump will return to a New York courtroom today for his criminal trial. The former president charged with falsifying business records to conceal a hush money payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels. Well, today, prosecutors and defense attorneys will continue their jury selection process. Yesterday, at least 50 potential jurors were dismissed after raising their hand, claiming they could not be fair or impartial. In the halls outside the courtroom yesterday, the former president told reporters the trial is about nothing more than election interference. Trump has pleaded not guilty, denies wrongdoing. He says he plans to testify.
This is really an attack on a political opponent. This is about election interference. That's all it's about.
Court is scheduled to be in session every weekday except Wednesdays for about 6 weeks. The jury selection process is expected to take weeks.
Many people across the country are wondering why the first criminal trial of a former president isn't being televised. Brandon Lewis from our Verified team has that answer for you.
Cameras captured former President Donald Trump walking in and out of a New York courtroom for his hush money case. But images from inside the trial are limited to photographs before the proceedings started and sketches. It's a stark contrast to other high-profile cases like the one between actors Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, causing some people to wonder why there's a difference. So, let's verify. Do all courtrooms have the same camera policy? Our sources are New York State law, the Radio Television Digital News Association, and court records in the case against Trump. Some state courts have rules that allow judges to decide whether to allow cameras, according to RTDNA. Trump's case is happening in a New York State court where state law bans cameras from trials unless a judge grants a rare exception. In Trump's case, the judge denied a request to televise the trial, but did agree to allow photographers inside for a brief time before the proceedings began. Meanwhile, the Depp v. Heard case happened in Virginia, which has less restrictive laws, and a judge allowed for live coverage. So, no, all courtrooms do not have the same camera policy. The policy varies between courts. Trump's election interference trial in Georgia can be televised because the trial is being held in a state court and the judge of that case is allowing cameras, while cameras are banned from his federal cases because they're banned from federal courts with limited exception. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis.